Jamsterz, the originals. Today we're going to be opening up my baby brother's stroller right here. This is the Lila Comfort stroller from Maxi Cosi. We chose this stroller because it looks so cool and so sleek. This really big piece of the stroller is gonna be on the floor. So I lay them all out on the ground so when it's ready we can combine them together. So here we have the body, the seat, the cushion, the bag, and the wheels. Now it's time to combine. The first step is to attach the wheels. And the wheels are quite light, so it's like easy for me to carry them. This is what the stroller looks upright. These are the casters. We put them on the stroller so the seat connects to the stroller. Now we put on the seat. Now let's put on the bag. I put on the seat and now let's put on the bumper. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. So this is how you move the hood. And you can even move the inside too. And the seats can move up and down. Like that. Now let's take it for a walk. Here is the Maxi Cosi Lila Stroller. It really feels nice from walking it and building it. Thank you, Maxi Cosi. I'm Jamsterz. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.